Today, we're gonna be playing with Play-Doh!
Yes, exactly right. We have a bunch of Play-Dohs here. We have many colors. Looks like we've got orange, we've got green and dark green. We also have pink, your favorite color, by the way. We have violet, right?
And navy blue.
Navy blue. We have a bunch of other colors such as yellow.
Green.
And green again.
Light green.
Yep. And we have sky blue.
White.
Yep. Orange, and we have white. All of that favorite colors, right?
Yes.
All right, cool. And we also have a bunch of tools here, Play-Doh tools. We have, Play-Doh molds. This is a gingerbread man mold, right? Okay. We also have this roller where we will be rolling the Play-Dohs. Yeah. We have a Play-Doh cutter. Yep. We have another roller here for Play-Doh, right?
Yeah.
Yep. We have a spatula here, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And then we have a starfish here. Take a look at this. We'll be pressing it down to make molds. What is this? Do you know?
It's a snowflake.
Yes, snowflake mold. Yep. And we also have a star here. Take a look at that. I see you. Okay. We've got a gift box, right?
Yeah.
Look at that.
Or a present.
Oh, present box, right?
Yeah.
Shape. Okay. And then we have, oh, look at that. This is one of your favorites here. Christmas tree shape. Yeah, we'll make a Christmas tree too.
You have to put them on when it's Christmas.
Yeah. And we have a heart shape. Take a look at that. That's so cool. We have this. We're going to use to make a circular shape.
Yeah.
Yep. All right. We have a pizza shape here.
Yes, so we can make a triangle.
Yeah, we have yet another cutter here.
Yeah.
Right? Pizza cutter. And we have two of those, by the way. One is made out of wood. One is made out of a plastic.
Yeah.
All right. Are you ready to make some shapes?
Yes.
And molds? Let's go. Okay, Adele, which Play-Doh color you want to go for?
Okay. I'm gonna go for pink.
All right, let's get pink color. Whoa, that's all right. Let's get that pink Play-Doh.
One of my favorite colors.
Yes. Let's open that up. Okay. Do you need help?
I got it.
Cool. All right.
Okay.
Let's make a Play-Doh shape. Come on. Let's try harder. There you go. Whoa. Okay, cool. So, yeah, let's get some space here. Let's make some space. Yep, here is your roller.
Okay.
Let's get it going. Let's make that Play-Doh flat, right?
Yeah.
By using that roller, Play-Doh roller.
Okay.
All right.
I love playing with Play-Doh. They're so
squishy. It's fun. Okay, that's good enough. How about we are going to leave it like that? And what shape would you like to make? Let's see. Let's go for a present.
Yeah.
Gift box, right?
I was just about to say that.
Okay, let's press it down. Yep, just like so.
Okay.
Harder. All right. Look at that.
Okay.
Let's see. Now, let's remove the remaining parts.
Oh,
Or
okay.
access. Up. Okay, and take it out. Look at that.
Look at our present.
Whoa. That is so awesome. Take a look at this present box.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
It's in color pink.
Yeah.
Woohoo.
Whoa.
That is so cool.
Yeah, and it's so smooth.
Right. Okay, cool. All right, so we're gonna leave it right over here, off to the side. Now, which other shape would you like to go for? Let's go for star.
Yeah.
Okay, now for star, we are going to pick, how about we go for red color?
Yeah.
Right over here.
Okay.
Do you like red color?
Yeah. Let's open it up.
Okay.
There.
Great job. Now dump it.
There.
Cool. Okay. Yep. Let's lay it flat and roll it down. Roll.
Okay,
Yep.
let me squish it first.
Exactly.
So it didn't run
Yep,
away.
that was a good trick. Cool. Let's roll it more. Nice.
Okay.
Cool. Let's get that star shape.
There.
Put it on top. and press it down. Okay, tap, tap, tap.
Okay.
All right.
Okay, maybe that's enough.
Let's now just go like this. Remove the excess. Yep.
Okay.
Ready? Let's lift it up. Whoa, that's such a perfect star shape you made.
Yeah.
Look at that.
And it's red.
Red. It's in color
Neon
red.
red.
Oh, neon red. Yeah, it's such a bright red color, right?
Yeah.
Whoa. This is perfect. Nice. Let's move on to the next Play-Doh.
Yeah.
Cool. What else do we have here? How about we go for navy blue color?
Oh, yeah.
All right.
We have 2 navy blue.
Cool. Let's pick one of these navy blue colors.
Okay.
Right.
Let's open it up.
Come on, you got this.
Okay.
Yep, let's dump it down. Great
There.
job. Now squish it with the palm of your hand. Just like so. Now let's use our roller.
To roll it up.
Nice.
Okay.
Okay, the other way around. That's
That's
good.
good.
Now, what shape would you like to pick for color navy blue? Let's go
Tree.
for Christmas tree, we're going to use green Play-Doh, right?
Yeah.
How about we go for, right here, snowflake shape.
Yeah.
Okay, ready? Yep.
Okay.
Press it down, just like so. We're having so much fun with Adel
Yeah.
here.
Okay.
Okay, now, let's just wiggle, and remove the excess. The Play-Doh that we don't need. Okay, now let's lift this up.
Okay. Let me
Ready?
put my finger
And let's
inside.
show it to your friends.
Okay.
Whoa, look at that snowflake, you guys.
It's so cool.
Yes, check that out. Whoa.
And it's so beautiful.
Yes. Yeah, look at that.
And they're
Snowflake.
very cool.
Yeah, very cold, right?
Yeah.
Cool. All right, let's move on to the next one.
Yeah.
How about we go for, orange color.
Yeah.
All right, let's open it up.
Okay.
Okay. Do you need help? Oh, you got this? Come on, you got it. I know you're strong. Whoa. Let's see. 1, 2, 3.
There.
Great job. Dump it. Dump.
There.
Okay, press it down. Squish that Play-Doh. Right before you use that roller. Yep, now time to use that roller. Yep,
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay.
Turn the other way around. Keep on going. Roll. And looks like we are good there, right?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, so, all right, let's go for a starfish this time, right? So we're gonna go, place it on top of this orange Play-Doh. Press it really hard, right? You have to press that button.
Okay.
Let me see that button. You see this button, you guys? We have to just press it really hard.
Yeah.
Just like so. Yep.
Okay.
Now tap. Okay, time to remove. How about we remove the sides first? Just like so.
Okay, there's
All right.
a little more.
Cool. Let's lift the mold. Okay. Now press it down. Whoa! Such a realistic looking starfish! Wow, look at this, you guys. This is a starfish. Yeah.
Yeah.
Orange Play-Doh, right?
It's
Yeah.
a neon one.
Yeah, neon orange color. All right, let's move on to the next one.
Yes. Let's now use a Christmas tree shape.
Yes, let's make a Christmas tree, right?
Yeah.
So for Christmas tree, we're gonna use should we use green or like dark green or light green? So we have a dark green here. Yeah,
Maybe
let's
a
use
dark
let's use this Play-Doh color,
Okay.
dark green for Christmas tree. Ready? Let's open it up. You got this? Or do you need my help? Do you need help?
I almost got it there.
Great job. Now dump it, turn it around, upside down. Boom. Now
There.
squish it, tap. There you go. Great job. Yep. And here is your roller.
Okay.
Yep. Nice. Now the other way around.
Okay.
Okay, let's flip. Cool. Now let's flip. Just like so. Roll, roll, roll. Great job. Now, our Christmas tree Play-Doh is ready. So we're gonna place this Christmas tree mold, right?
Okay.
Like so. Press it down. Let's press it down. Now, tap, tap, tap.
There.
Great. Yep. Press it as hard as you can. Remove the excess. Let's lift this mold. Yep. Press it. Whoa! Look at that!
Here is our Christmas tree.
So realistic looking Christmas tree.
Yeah.
Look at that, you guys. Check it out.
So cool.
Yes. Look at that. Such a beautiful looking, cute looking Christmas tree.
Yeah.
It's in color green.
Yeah.
Great job. Let's move on to the next one.
Yes.
Okay, so the next color we're going to use is, do we have another red? Right here. So we have another neon red, and we'll use it for heart
The
shape.
heart.
Ready? Let's open this up. Okay,
There.
great job. Cool. Let's flip it upside down. Tap, tap. Yep, and squish. Yep. Now let's
There.
use your roller. You want to use this roller too?
Yeah. Let's try this.
Okay, let's try that. Let's see how it does. Beautiful. Now let's flip it.
Okay.
Yep. Nice. Let's see if our heart shape fits. Yes, it's perfect. Yep. Ready, set. Yep. Press. Press down as hard as you can. Now tap, tap, tap.
Okay.
All right. Okay, let's remove the excess, the sides. Okay, ready? Yep, let's just remove. There you go. And lift our mold, heart shape. Cool. Look at this heart shape.
Look at this red
Neon
heart.
red heart.
Yeah.
Woohoo.
Looks
Awesome.
So cool.
You've done an awesome job here. Look at that, you guys.
We're having so much fun.
So much fun, I'm telling you. Cool. All right, let's move on to the next one.
Yeah.
So we have green, we have sky blue. Okay, we have a bunch of other colors remaining, and we have
and we have violet.
violet. Yep, look at that. Or purple, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, looks like we have a circle shape. So we're
Yeah.
gonna flip it down and just go like this and cut around
Yeah.
the borders here.
Yeah.
Okay, ready? How about we go for purple color this time?
Yeah.
All right, let's open it up.
Okay.
Okay. You got it?
Yeah.
Great job. Flip it up and down, tap, tap, tap.
There.
Yep, press it down, squish. Okay.
Okay.
Use your roller. Nice. Let's, yep. Flip. Let's flip it.
Okay. There.
All right. Yeah, I think we have to do a little bit more.
Because the
rolling. Yep.
circle is big.
Yeah, because our circle shape is a little too big.
Okay, maybe is this
Let's
enough?
see. Yeah, it's perfect actually, right? Is it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's press it down now. Press, 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 press. Yep, come on, you got this. Great
There.
job. Now let's remove the sides.
Access?
Yep, access. Cool. Ready?
Yeah.
Let's flip it. Whoa!
It's so big.
Yes, purple.
Okay, maybe we need a...
Circle. Okay, let's use a spatula here
Yeah.
to flip it, right? Or to lift this up. Okay, you want to be careful. The other side. Yep.
There.
Nice. Look at that. It was a little challenging
big
though.
Circle.
Yeah, here's our purple circle, right?
Yeah. It's big.
Round, round shape.
I can make a circle with my hand.
Yes, look at that. Cool. Purple shape here. Purple circle shape.
Whoa, it looks so big.
Yes, this is totally round. Okay,
Yeah.
let's move on to the next one.
Yeah.
Okay, you guys, we have a triangle shape here. We can
Yeah.
use this slice of pizza to use for a triangle shape,
Yeah.
right? Okay, we have a bunch of other colors remaining. So we have this light pink and neon pink. And we also have some light green. We have this lemon green.
How about
Let's use
yellow, maybe?
You want to use yellow?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Where is our yellow? Right over here.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, ready?
Let's open it up.
Let's open it up. You got this?
Okay.
Cool. Let's flip.
There.
Yep, and squish it down. Press, 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 press.
There.
Yeah. Now use we're gonna remove this out of the
We
way.
need some space.
Yeah, we need some space here.
Yeah.
Yep, okay. All right. The other side. Looks like we're good to go.
Yeah.
And here is your pizza shape, slice of pizza. Yep.
Okay.
All right. Now press it down.
Let's get this so we
Okay.
can cut
Yep.
it.
We have a pizza cutter too.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's press it down. Yep. I'm gonna hold this just like so. We're gonna go around the edges and keep cutting the pizza shape, right?
Yeah. Okay.
That's good. Now this side.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Great job. Now let's remove the excess sides.
Okay.
Ready? Let's lift this up.
Whoa.
All right. Let's take a look at that.
Here is
Whoa.
the triangle.
Look at this triangle, yellow triangle shape
Yeah.
or a pizza slice shape, right?
Yeah.
In color yellow. You've done an amazing job, Adele. Perfect. Cool. Let's move on to the next ones.
Yes.
Okay, guys, now we have the sky blue color. How about we use the sky blue color for our square shape?
Yeah.
Look at the square shape. So we're gonna press it down, make that square shape. It's actually, square shape. Yeah, let's go. Okay, you got it? Okay, let's flip it. Yep.
There.
All right, now squish, squish, squish. Yep, press down,
There.
just like so. Easy work. Cool. All right, now let's get our
That's
square
enough.
shape.
Okay, now let's press it down.
Press it down.
Okay.
Yep.
Now let's.
Press it and wiggle it,
There.
right?
Now let's take off.
The excess.
Yeah.
Take a look at that.
Here is our tiny square.
Yeah, look at this square shape.
It's, so
It's in color
beautiful.
sky blue, right?
Yeah.
Woohoo! Nice, cool job. Great job, Adele. Great. Okay, let's move on to the next one.
Yes.
All right, guys, now we have this gingerbread man mold. How about we use, what color should we use for gingerbread man?
I don't know.
Let's go for, okay, should we go for orange?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go for orange. All right,
Okay, let's open it up.
all right. You got it? 1, 2,
There.
Great job. Okay,
There.
cool. Squish, squish, squish. All right,
Okay.
yep, let's use your roller.
Let's have some space.
All right, press it down and roll, roll, roll.
The gingerbread is big.
Yeah, but that's good enough.
Yeah.
Cool, let's see if it fits. Yep,
Ready?
yep.
Yeah, it fits.
Perfect size. Ready? Let's squish it down, press it down, tap, tap, tap.
There.
All right, go all the way. Yep, real hard.
Okay.
As hard as you can. Now remove the excess here. Okay, ready? Whoa! Look at
Here
that.
is our gingerbread man.
Yes, look at the shape. Awesome looking orange gingerbread man, right?
Yes, it looks so cool.
Looks, yeah, it looks awesome.
Neon orange.
Neon orange gingerbread man.
Yeah.
Okay, well, that's it for today. We'll see you guys in the next video.
Bye.
Bye-bye.